LLC versus LLP. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna answer your questions. What's the best? LLC versus LLP. So the answer is right here. An LLP, limited liability partnership. It's like a general partnership except that an LLP is considered a separate legal entity from its owners. The business structure provides personal liability protection similar to that of PLLC, with individual members shielded from debts of the business and any malpractice by other partners. Each owner is responsible for their own malpractice or negligence. Through some states, laws only allow certain licensed professionals to form an LLP, something significant to consider if a business might expand to multiple states in the future. That's it guys, don't forget like, subscribe.